Are you in need of appliance repair training and don't know where to start? Well, don't worry. We at Cornerstone Appliance Training provide you with hands-on training live in-person classes or online self-paced appliance training courses designed for anyone. We offer multiple courses as a bundles such as Fundamentals of Appliances Repair All-in-One, Advanced Appliance Troubleshooting courses, Starter, BusinessPro, and Professional Business Bundles, Appliance Blue Book, free professionally designed website, and more. Choose the course that best fits your needs. And you know what? You don't need to pay for each course separately. When you purchase any of our courses or memberships, you will receive credit for any future upgrades. Get all these courses and bundles at a discounted price. Isn't that great? Also, our courses are constantly updated and you'll receive monthly updated appliance repair videos and industry news. We teach you how to crush your competition and how to be successful from day one. Hurry up! Visit cornerstoneappliancetrainingcourse.com and enroll today.